We've got a spare tire, a tire iron accessory kit, a scissor jack, an impact gun, a torque wrench, and two 13/16 sockets. So with these tools, let's go ahead and show you how to change your wheel like a pro. Starting with your tire iron, you're going to go ahead and crank your lug nuts loose. Then it's time to come in with the scissor jack, get it set up into place. Make sure that it is in a good, safe, and sturdy piece of the subframe and a safe jacking point. Then with the other two accessory pieces like so, and as you turn, you'll start to jack the car up. When you're done, I like to put the second piece, just like so, as a safety in case the jack fails. Now we're going to quickly zip the lug nuts off the rest of the way. And with the wheel out of the way, I'm going to grab some fine grit sandpaper here and just scuff up the mating surface from the back of the wheel to the hub. Don't want to apply too much pressure, just get it nice and scuffed up and cleaned off, and then we're going to do the same with the new wheel that we're putting on. All good to go with the new wheel, we're going to roll it over and get ready to put it on. Next, we're going to lift the wheel up and carefully align the lugs with the holes in the wheel. Grabbing the lug nuts, we're just going to thread them in by hand a little bit to hold the wheel on. Then using the impact gun, just quickly snug them up. Ready to bring the car back down now, we're just going to reverse the other steps to jacking the car up and bring it down. Coming back in with the tire iron, we're going to tighten the lug nuts down just a bit more so they're nice and snug and almost ready for the torque wrench. Here you'll see me putting on that fourth lug nut, which had a couple torn up threads, so I had to work on that a little bit separately, but we're almost ready to go. Grabbing your torque wrench with the socket on it, you're going to want to find out what your torque spec is for your wheel lugs. You can look in the owner's manual or even look it up online. In this case, we're looking for around 85 foot-pounds. In a separate video, I will show you guys how to set your torque wrench to spec. So, stick around for that, but for now, I'll link some down below so you learn how to do it. And with that all done, you have replaced your wheel like a pro. Now these steps, you can either repeat them either front to back, depending on whether you're putting a spare tire on or taking it off, putting a new tire on, taking off, whatnot. These steps are reversible, just follow through, make sure you do it right, double check if you need to, and be safe while doing it. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.